Hi guys, so do my makeup with me while I'm in my room, so. Hold on. Okay, perfect. We have this, clear lip gloss. Now, we also, I swear if I'm not going to be able to open this. Then we also have colored pinkish. Yeah. Now I'm gonna unbox everything, so yeah. So I have this LA Colors palette, and also I also have this LA Colors palette. Anyway, I'm going to start, so let's go. I can't open. Hold on. Okay, and there we go. So now I'm going to. Yeah. Yes, how lovely I am at my makeup. Hold on, light isn't that good and I need to go get something. Oh, it's come back. Anyway, let's go. So, some rose. Oh gosh, that's... Yeah. It's really vibrant. I think you can. Okay. No, I'm embarrassing. My grandma just walked in. Anyway, she gave me some blush. So, did I? Perfect. Okay, good. Get it into the trash. Perfect. Anyway. There we go. I actually look pretty good. Hold on. Here's how I look so far. Now, time to do the blush. I promise you it looks a lot better than how it looks. Like, literally, it looks like I'm just randomly rubbing a brush around, but... And yes, I am allowed to film this and do this in my room. My grandma specifically said Anyway, I'm gonna put on some mascara and okay. And also some lip gloss. Okay. Now, how do you think? Okay. Nope. They just walked into the bathroom. I thought he was coming in here. Anyway, number one, just some clear. And make my lips glow. And then some lip gloss over it. My grandma said that I'm getting better, so oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do a tiny bit more mascara. No. Okay. There we go. Time for results. Okay. Here's the look. How do you think? I like it. Wait, hold on. My calendar isn't marked off. I'm now in Feb. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Let's go and yeah. Shimmy, y'all, shimmy, y'all, shimmy, y'all. Go show. Shimmy, shimmy, y'all, shimmy, y'all, shimmy, y'all. Y'all, shimmy, y'all, shimmy, y'all. Is in her cave. Echo. I'm the princess. She won't come out. Anyway, let's go show. I can't show on camera, so. Anyway, let's go. Shimmy, shimmy, y'all, shimmy, y'all, shimmy, y'all. Yes. Hurry up. And that. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for 35 subscribers. I don't know if it's been like that for a while or I don't know, but I'm running out of breath. So bye.